This is how to download file from OneDrive mobile into your iPhone, all right, so that the file will be available locally. First is that you need to install OneDrive on your iPhone. If you don't have that already, just get to App Store and then search for OneDrive, all right, OneDrive. Okay, search for it. Once it shows up, tap on get or install button. All right, so once the installation is completed, sign in with your account details, which are email address and your password used in accessing it, maybe through the web or on the desktop. All right, so with that, let's take other steps. Okay, then open the OneDrive file. So the OneDrive application, sorry. So get to it where it is and tap on it for it to open. All right. As the application opens, if you find yourself on the home tab, all right, tap on files. Okay, this will give you access to all the files you have in your account. Then get to the file you want to download locally into your phone. In this case, let me work with the one named Commission for Uberu. All right, so tap the three dots on the file. As you tap on the three dots, select share. Once you are taken to this page, drag up a little. All right, then select send file. On selecting send file, you'll be taken to this page as well. So drag up a little on the page and then select the option save to files. This will open a location on your iPhone. Okay, if you find yourself here where I am right now, tap on my iPhone location. Okay, tap on that option to be here. Okay, this is where you're going to save this file. Then tap on save button, which is at the upper right. Okay, and with this file is saved locally on your iPhone. So let's go and check in this case to know if it is available here. So I'll get to the files app. As the files app open, okay, let's use the search section and type what did we call that? I think it was commission something. Commission. So you can type a keyword. All right, you can see commission for Uberu. So this is how you can save any file that is existing on your OneDrive into your iPhone. Whether you uploaded the file by the desktop or by web version, you can download it locally and use it for anything you want to use it for. All right, if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Here we cover a lot on tech, so subscribe to learn more. Thank you and see you some other time.